Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to sign up for Google Flow step by step. If you're new to Google Flow and want to start creating AI-generated videos, this tutorial will guide you through the entire sign-up process. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your PC or laptop. In the address bar, type the official Google Flow website and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the asterisk sign in *** or Get Started *** button near the top of the page and click on it. Google Flow uses your Google account, so you'll need to sign in with an existing Google account. If you're already logged into your browser, simply choose your account from the list. If not, enter your Gmail address and password, then complete the sign-in process. If you don't have a Google account yet, click Create Account and follow the on-screen instructions. Enter your name, choose a Gmail address, create a secure password, and verify your account using your phone number if requested. Once your Google account is ready, return to the Google Flow website and sign in. After signing in, you may be asked to accept Google's terms of service or privacy policy. Read the information if you'd like, then click ***, accept ***, or continue *** to proceed. Depending on your region or account type, you may also be asked to join Google Labs or enable access to Google Flow. Simply follow the instructions displayed on your screen. If Google Flow isn't available in your country or for your account yet, you may need to wait until access becomes available. Once everything is complete, Google Flow will open its dashboard. From here, you're ready to create your first project, write prompts, and start generating AI videos. And that's it. You've successfully signed up for Google Flow. In the next tutorial, we'll look at how to log in and begin using all of Google Flow's features. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.